Have you ever wondered what the most famous foods in America are? Now that's a question that's as diverse and exciting as the country itself. From the bustling streets of New York to the sun-kissed beaches of California, America's food landscape is a delicious tapestry of tastes and traditions. Each state, each city, has its own culinary signature, its own beloved dish. This rich and varied food culture is a testament to America's melting pot of influences. So, get ready to embark on a culinary journey across America. Starting our food journey, let's head to the South with our first dish, fried chicken. Fried chicken, a dish steeped in history, has been a part of American culture for centuries. It was the Scottish immigrants who initially brought the concept of frying chicken to America, but it was the African American community in the South that truly transformed this dish, adding spices, seasonings, and using a method of frying that resulted in the crispy, flavorful delicacy we know today. It's more than just a dish. It's a symbol of Southern hospitality and family gatherings, a comfort food that has transcended borders and is now loved worldwide. Moving on, let's sink our teeth into another American classic, the hamburger. The origin of the hamburger is a hotly contested topic. Some say it originated from Hamburg, Germany, hence the name, while others claim it was a creation of several American entrepreneurs. But what we can all agree on is that the hamburger has become an undeniable icon of American cuisine. It's the star of backyard barbecues, the go-to at fast food chains, and has even found its place in gourmet restaurants with chefs putting their unique spins on this classic. The hamburger's versatility and universal appeal have cemented its status as a staple in the American diet. From the crispy, mouth-watering fried chicken to the juicy, satisfying hamburger, these dishes represent not just the diversity of American cuisine, but also the melting pot that is America itself. They tell stories of migration, adaptation, and innovation, and have become deeply ingrained in the fabric of American culture. These dishes have truly made their mark, haven't they? But wait, there's more. Moving on, our taste buds take us to the heart of America with our next dish, BBQ Ribs. Originating from the Native American cooking style, barbecue ribs have become a staple in the American culinary scene. This dish is all about slow-cooked, tender pork ribs slathered in a tangy, sweet, and smoky barbecue sauce. The result? A fall-off-the-bone, lip-smacking delight that's best enjoyed with a side of coleslaw and cornbread. What makes barbecue ribs so special? It's the time and love put into preparing them. The ribs are typically smoked over a low heat for hours until they reach that perfect level of tenderness. Then they're sauced and grilled to caramelize the surface, giving them a sweet, sticky exterior that perfectly complements the smoky, savory meat. The symphony of flavors and textures is what keeps people coming back for more. Next up, we dive into a bowl of comfort with clam chowder. This creamy soup hails from the northeastern region of America, particularly New England. The star of the show here is fresh clams, complemented by diced potatoes, onions, and celery in a milk or cream-based broth. A sprinkling of herbs and a dash of bacon add depth to its hearty and comforting profile. Clam chowder is more than just a dish, it's a symbol of community and tradition. It's often served in bread bowls at family gatherings or community events, symbolizing the spirit of sharing and togetherness. The warm, creamy soup paired with the soft, chewy bread creates a comforting meal that warms you from the inside out. These dishes, barbecue ribs and clam chowder, are not just food. They are part of America's rich culinary tapestry, each carrying a story of its own. They embody the traditions, histories, and cultures of the regions they come from. These dishes are a testament to America's diverse and delicious food heritage. But our food journey doesn't end here. As we wrap up our culinary journey, we realize that this is just the tip of the iceberg. We've savored a mere sampling of the diverse and rich American cuisine, from the savory barbecue of the South to the sweet apple pie of New England. It's a mosaic of flavors, a testament to the country's melting pot of cultures. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more mouth-watering content and continue this delicious journey with us. Until next time, happy eating.